Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like this improper integral often look tricky, but you can solve them quickly by following these 3 simple steps to find the correct answer. First, observe the denominator. At x equals 3, the expression becomes 0, creating a vertical asymptote right at the start of our interval. This makes the integral improper, so watch.
Next, we use U-Substitution. Let u equal x squared minus 9, so du is 2x dx. The integral becomes 1/2 times the natural log of the absolute value of u.
Finally, we evaluate the limit as t approaches 3 from the right. As t nears 3, the natural log term approaches negative infinity, confirming the integral diverges. Boom, done.
Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't skip the asymptote or assume finite values. Always test endpoints and check for convergence.